Whew. Welcome back to Master of None. My name is Rodney. I know I've said that I have a bunch of projects going on right now, and this is probably going to be my most ambitious one with Halloween coming up. Had months to do this. Of course, like most cosplayers, you don't intentionally leave things to the last minute, but here we go. A dear friend of mine has commissioned me to do a Diva Plavalaguna, I think that's how you pronounce the name, mask for him. I am going to sculpt and cast this mask. I've only sculpted one other mask before. It was a Darth Maul mask. I never pulled it. I did sculpted it, did the mold, did everything, and just never did the mask. It was like right before the pandemic. So it's just something I was playing around with because I buy a lot of cows and it gets expensive, and sometimes it's best just to learn how to do something. But anyway, there's going to be a lot of problem solving involved in pulling this off, if I can pull it off. And I guess we'll go through this together. So instead of punking out, here we go.